We are prioritising testing of NHS staff for the obvious reason that we want them to be able to look after everybody else with confidence that they're not transmitting the disease. And this country is actually far ahead of many other comparable countries in testing huge numbers of people. We're increasing our tests from 5,000 to 10,000 a day. Quickly on testing, just to reassure him, we're moving up to 25,000 a day. And it may be of interest to the House to know that we are getting much closer, Mr. Speaker, to having a generally available test which will determine whether or not you have had the disease, and that will truly be of huge benefit to this country in tackling the outbreak. And on PPE equipment for NHS staff, he's absolutely right to raise this, and this is of huge concern, obviously, to everyone, that our NHS staff should feel that they're able to interact with patients with perfect security and protection. So there is a massive effort going on, comparable to the effort to build enough ventilators to ensure that we have adequate supplies of PPE equipment, not just now, but throughout the outbreak. Yeah.